Are you tired of wasting time clicking through every field when creating a bill in Zoho Books? Learn the exact 21-step workflow to create a bill in under 3 minutes. We'll start by opening Zoho Books, then walk through selecting a vendor, setting dates, choosing payment terms, adding items, and saving the bill. Start by opening Zoho Books. Then head over to the Purchases section. Now, click on Bills to see your list of bills. Go ahead and click the Create a Bill button to get started. First, click on Select a Vendor to choose who you're paying. For this example, let's pick Bobby AI. Type in the order number for reference. Now, click on Bill Date to set when you received the bill. Choose a date, say the 18th, by clicking on it. Next, click on Due Date and pick when the payment is due. For example, click on the 30th. Click on Custom and choose your payment terms from the dropdown. For instance, select Due End of the Month. Now, click on Accounts Payable to set the account. Click on Accounts Payable to confirm the selection. Click on Item Details and type or select an item from the list. For example, choose AI Marketing Campaign. Type in any adjustment amount if needed. Then add notes for your records. Click Save as Open to save the bill without closing it. Review the bill record to ensure everything is correct. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.